Well, everyone, I'm so glad you joined me today at the Baker's Corner for my Southern grandmother's recipe. Meemaw would be proud, turkey and dressing. Telling you, make this for your next holiday event or any event. I make this year-round, but certainly at Christmas, at Thanksgiving, it's great that time of year to bring over to a friend's house. You know, and again, I love, especially when I live by myself, making this up and having a pan of it in the refrigerator and being able just to munch on it for a couple of days is great. And you know what a great idea is? You know, I use 2 separate pans. If you know you're not going to eat both pans right away and you're not taking anywhere, mix up both pans, but only bake one of them. Stick the other one in the freezer. Stick it in the freezer before you bake it. That way, when you're ready to go, you just stick it, you pop it in the oven for about half an hour, which, by the way, is what we end up cooking it for. I did leave it in longer than the 20 minutes, so put in about half an hour and check on it. And then you're ready to go. You have dressing just like that without even having to work at it. So there's an idea. Again, my name is Lauren Taylor here at the Baker's Corner on behalf of Expert Village. Have a great day. Enjoy.